What should I do when my Amana furnace shuts off? If your Amana furnace has shut off and you're experiencing heating issues, here are some specific steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem. Check the thermostat. Ensure that the thermostat is set to the desired temperature. Confirm that the mode is set to heating and the fan setting is appropriate. Inspect the furnace switch. Locate the furnace switch on or near the unit and make sure it's in the on position. Check the circuit breaker. Verify that the circuit breaker for the furnace hasn't tripped. If it has, reset it. Inspect the air filter. A clogged air filter can cause the furnace to overheat and shut off. Check and replace the air filter if necessary. Check for error codes. If your Amana furnace is equipped with a diagnostic display or LED codes, check for any error codes. Refer to your furnace's manual to interpret these codes and take appropriate action. Inspect the flame sensor. The flame sensor is a crucial component that detects the presence of a flame. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, it may cause the furnace to shut off. Carefully clean the flame sensor with a fine abrasive pad or replace it if needed. Inspect the igniter for gas furnaces. If you have a gas furnace, check the igniter. A faulty igniter can prevent the furnace from lighting. If you're not familiar with this component, it's advisable to seek professional help. Check the venting system. Ensure that the venting system is clear of obstructions. Blocked vents can cause the furnace to shut off for safety reasons. Inspect the condensate line for high-efficiency furnaces. If you have a high-efficiency furnace, check the condensate line for clogs. Clear any obstructions to ensure proper drainage. Verify gas supply for gas furnaces. Check that the gas supply to the furnace is sufficient and not interrupted. If you've gone through these troubleshooting steps and the issue persists, it's recommended to contact a professional HVAC technician. Amana furnaces, like any heating system, may have specific components or features that require expert attention for diagnosis and repair. Attempting to fix complex issues without the necessary expertise could lead to further problems or safety hazards. Regular professional maintenance is also advisable to keep your furnace in optimal condition.